Okay, I'm gonna show you guys my lip and cheek duos, and I just wanna let everyone know that each cream blush comes with a matching lip gloss. So they come in a duo, which is really cool. So I love these because it's not a typical cream blush texture. They're kind of like a mousse and a tint to your skin, which I love. This is in the shade Pinky Swear, and I love it just because it's super blendable and it's so soft. Like, I can't even explain how nice and satin the finish feels. And then we have Peach Out, which is my go-to shade. I just feel like it looks best on my skin tone. And it's so pigmented, so blendable. And then lastly, we have Berry Good, which is so great. And these also work so well as like a tint for your lip. I just feel like they really enhance your natural lip shade and bring color back to your face. These are the 3 shades. They're very universal on any skin tone, and I feel like they just really make you look more alive. Now I'm gonna show you how I apply them. I think they're best applied by using your finger. The warmth of your finger really blends them in. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Peach Out. And what I like to do, I don't know why I do this, but I do like 2 dots and 2 dots, and then I literally blend away, and I'm gonna show you how easy this is. It takes 2 seconds and it's literally fully blended into your skin. And I love that these are super buildable as well. Like, if you're not happy with this coverage, then you can add more pigment to your skin, and they're very buildable. And then I'm just adding some to my lips to kind of just bring some color back to them. And it really just ties in the lips and the cheeks together, and I feel like it adds a really nice cohesive look. So these are my 3 lip glosses that go along with the cheek mousses. This is in the shade Libra Energy, which I love so much. And then we have Peach Pucker, and then we have Butterfly Kiss. And I love all these because they actually all are clear lip glosses, but they're just tinted a little bit. And it works perfectly when you actually use them with the cheek mousse, because if you put them on your lips, they layer really nicely and just like enhance that little tint. And the doe foot applicator is so incredibly smooth. Like, I could just sit here for hours just applying this because it's just so smooth. The gloss, like, it makes your lips look so plump and juicy, but it doesn't leave them feeling super sticky. So sometimes when you're wearing lip glosses, like, your lips can stick together as you're talking, but this feels so comfortable on the lips, and you can apply as much as you want. It does not get clumpy, sticky, or gross. And these look super nice without layering them as well. You can just apply them to your natural lip and they'll look just as good.